good morning. Today I'm sharing a little bit of information about essential oils for babies and children. And so if you are into living holistically, mind, body, spirit, health and wellness, then this short video is for you. I use essential oils a lot. I first started out using them with my family. First and foremost, I got them for myself because I was going through I needed some emotional balance in my life, and I was having a really hard time relaxing in order to sleep long enough throughout my night. And so I got essential oils starter kit through Young Living through a coworker of mine. I'm a physical therapist, and I got one through an occupational therapist friend of mine from work. And then I started using them with my family, really started to notice the benefits that the essential oils were offering me. And so over time, it probably took me 3 years to be using them personally before I started my practice, my physical therapy practice, and I decided, you know what, I would like to share these with more people because I really was seeing the value in my life and also hearing some really good success stories. So I want to share just three quick oils today with you that can be used throughout pregnancy and then also with your kids, your newborns and your children. So I'm going to keep this short and sweet, okay? Normally I ramble on. So one great oil, first thing I want to say is your quality of oils make a huge difference, okay? So I choose Young Living, and there's a reason for that. Google seed to seal and you'll understand what the process that they go through to distill and to grow the plants and to basically put them in this little bottle. So I only choose Young Living. First and foremost, quality absolutely matters. So when people ask me questions about safety with oils, I default to what are the quality of your oils, okay? So if you're using really cheap oils and you're getting them on Amazon, you're getting them at the local food store and at Walmart and things like that, they're not high quality oils, okay? So Gentle Baby is a oil that's actually specifically designed for supporting during labor, during pregnancy, for newborns, and it can be diffused in a diffuser. It can be inhaled directly from the bottle. Okay, it can be also used topically. Now there's some guidelines to follow depending on the age of your child on how much to dilute, which I won't go into, but I will give you a resource at the end of this video. Another great one that I love to use is lavender. It's really calming. It's kind of considered the Swiss Army knife of oils, and so if you're not quite sure what oils to use, this is a really great choice, okay? And I actually like to do this. I diluted this because I use it occasionally when I have moms that come in and they have babies that have they need a little bit of skin support, or they need a little bit of calming down, they're fussy, that kind of thing. Then I pre-diluted it 30-to-1 basically with carrier oil. So I have coconut oil in this, fractionated, it's liquid, and it's easy for me to dispense using this little dropper bottle that I got on Amazon. That way I'm not cross-contaminating between patients, so this is an option. So lavender, Gentle Baby, and another great one that I like to use is Digest. Now this is the Vitality oil, so ideally it's the ingestion one, but you can get Digest that can be used topically. It's the exact same formula, it's just labeled a little bit different, and that can be really good for tummy support. So again, I diluted that 30-to-1 in this nice little dropper bottle, so I teach moms how they can do a very gentle infant massage if they have their fussy babies that have maybe some digestive issues after feeding, breastfeeding, that kind of thing, and we go over that. So those are 3 quick oils that I feel like new mom, seasoned mom should have in her arsenal of natural things to use with her family. I'm going to give you a couple resources. One, I have an online class with this. So if you go to my website, you can get it directly. If you go to healingspotpt.com, you can look at the little tab that says essential oils. There's a lot of free classes on there. You just give me your name and your email address, and you can get them into your inbox with all of this, you know, so you can go through it at your own pace. There's resources out there that I use. The desk reference guide from, I'm going to completely draw a blank, Lifescience Publishing, sorry. So Lifescience Publishing has a desk reference guide. I think anybody using essential oils should have that. And then also I love this book here. It's called Gentle Babies by Debra Raybern. It is a very great guide for essential oils, but it's also like, I tell people essential oils isn't just a cure-all, take everything away kind of thing. It's like it fits into your wellness routine. It's one part of it, okay? And so this is a really good book. She actually mentions other ways of supporting yourself during pregnancy, postpartum, and also your babies and your children. So I'm actually running a special right now if you're interested in possibly getting a starter kit. If you sign up with me and get your starter kit, it has 12 oils, it has a diffuser, it's a really great value. If you get that by the end of this week, I will give you this book for free, okay? It's my personal stash of books. I buy them. This is not a Young Living promotional. It's my own, out of my own personal financial account. All right, so head to my website, check out essential oils there for more information, for any classes that might interest you, and reach out if you want to get this book. I will walk you through the process and even give you the information to make a more informed decision. So have a great Tuesday. Thanks for tuning in. Talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.